Hello and welcome to another Cooking for Your Kidneys video. My name is Annette and I'm a dietitian at Imperial College Healthcare.
Hello, my name's Kasonde. I'm an advocate for home hemodialysis and I do hemodialysis at home on my own.
Kasonde, thank you so much for having us in your home and for doing some cooking with me today. So today we are going to look at how to prepare starchy roots such as cassava, yam, sweet potato or white potatoes, and also some of the banana family. So matoke, green banana or plantain, depending where you're from. Now these foods are naturally very high in potassium. So when you're preparing them, the way to reduce that potassium content is to peel them, chop them, boil them, drain the water, and then have a smaller portion overall and pair it with a lower potassium accompaniment. So today we will be showing you how to prepare a sweet potato, and you can either prepare this and then mash it into something else, and we'll also show you how to prepare a plantain or plantain. To get started with the sweet potatoes, so wash and peel the potatoes, and the peeling gets rid of some of the potassium that is held in the skin. Chop into small cubes and add them to your pot on the stove. Cover the sweet potatoes with water from the kettle and bring everything to the boil. Boil for 5 to 10 minutes until the sweet potatoes are tender. Then remove them from the heat and drain the water. This removes additional potassium. You can either have these potatoes as they are, or you can mash them to serve with an accompaniment. You're looking to have a portion size of about 150 grams.
So peel the plantain. Wash it to get rid of a bit of the excess. Add it to a large saucepan of boiling water. Boil for about 5 to 10 minutes until it's tender. Then remove and drain. Give it a few minutes to cool. Slice. Then fry with a bit of oil or toss with oil and grill it. Then serve with the mains of your choice. Today, we're going to be serving it with a lovely jerk chicken.
And here we have it, our mashed sweet potato and plantain, and we're serving it with a jerk chicken today. Now you would also add some low potassium vegetables to this dish. Kasonde, would you like to have a taste?
Definitely, it looks yummy. It's yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Brilliant. Well, I hope that you have seen that you can prepare the foods that you still love and enjoy in a way that is kidney friendly. Thank you so much for having us in your home today and cooking with me. And thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye.